Okay, good morning and assalamu alaikum class 1. Today we are going to discuss about two kinds of nouns, that are proper nouns and common nouns. First of all, we are going to think about, or we are going to discuss that what is a noun. Everyone knows that noun is a name of a person, place or a thing. Any name of a person, place or a thing is a noun. For example, a table, a car, a horse. These are all the nouns. Now what is a proper noun? You can see in the picture it is written special names. Proper noun is a special name. We are going to discuss about what is a proper noun. It is a name of a specific person, place or a thing. Any specific person. So you get the point? Proper noun, it is the name of any special person. These are the special names. A specific person, place or a thing. It is always written with a capital letter. A proper noun is always written with a capital letter. Either it is written in the middle of the sentence or the start of the sentence or the end of the sentence. It is always written with a capital letter. Now coming towards the example. For example, London. London is a name of one country, a specific country. So it is written with a capital letter and it is a proper noun. Number 2, Rehan. Rehan is a name of a specific boy. Okay, so it is always written with a capital letter. And likewise, maths. It is a name of a specific subject. Okay, so it is always written with a capital letter. So here you can see a small picture describing what are proper nouns. A proper noun is a special name that names a particular person. Particular means any specific person, place or a thing. For example, you can see over here Roy, Edentown, Sunset Palace. Now looking at the Sunset Palace, you see that this palace has two words. This palace has a name comprising of two words and both of them are written with a capital letter. So proper noun can be made of more than one word, and a proper noun always begins with a capital letter that I have told you earlier. Now what is a common noun? A common noun is the name of any person, place or a thing. It is not specified. Okay, it is any name of any person, place or a thing. It is written with a small letter within the sentence. Whenever we write common noun in the sentence, it is written with a small letter. But if it is written at the start of the sentence, we will write it in the capital letter. For example, boy, country, city. Okay, these are all the common nouns. That's why I have written it with the small letters. But if we are going to write them in the start of the sentence, they are going to be written with capital letter. So we are now going to compare common noun with the proper noun. Common nouns are man. Okay, the first common noun I have written man. So the proper noun of that man will be Amjad. Amjad is a name of a man. City, it is a common noun. Karachi, it is a proper noun. A specific name of a place, that is city. Planet is a common noun. Earth, it is a name of a planet, a specific name of a planet, a particular planet, and it is a proper noun. Mountain. Mountain is a common noun and K2 is the name of a particular mountain. It is a proper noun. Likewise, fruit is a common noun and apple is a specific fruit. Okay, we have specified now the name of a fruit and that is apple. It is a proper noun. Okay, thank you very much. I hope you got the point.